Today we're going to be talking about why I Love Ink appears to be a little bit red and warm in the skin before it's fully healed. So the reason that the I Love Ink pigments appear to be a little bit warm in the skin when you first do your client's procedure is because they are all pre-modified with a warm-based color. So what pre-modified means is that the way that the pigments were formulated was with multiple different colors. One of those colors being an orange, a yellow, or a red-based tone. Because most of the time eyebrows are formulated to make a brown color, you're using a lot of cool toned colors in that formula. But when you add the red, the orange, or the yellow to those bases, you're actually going to get a warmer healed color than just a cool gray or neutral brown. So the reason that you're going to be seeing some pink or redness underneath the pigment in the client's skin is because you've created a cut or an incision on their skin, which is a wound, so it's obviously going to be a little bit irritated. You should see that go away after about a week. After about a week to 12 days after the initial procedure, you're going to see that pigment start to scab and to flake off of the skin. Underneath that, it will reveal the true color of the pigment, which should heal to a neutral brown. So here you can see what the healing looks like on day 7. You can see that most of the redness has subsided and they're healing true to the natural dark brown color. Eyebrows will look light and faded at first, but will heal to the true color. If you do happen to see some of that redness or warmth still coming through after a week to 12 days, it's just going to only continue to disappear as the month goes on. Give your client about 30 days before having them come back and checking out their procedure, and you should see that that warmth has gone away completely. As the skin continues to heal and mend back together, that true color will shine through. To achieve the best healed results, Tina recommends putting a cool compress on your client's procedure area directly after you've finished. She also recommends using the Tina Davies Aftercare Healing Gel for the next 5 to 7 days. As a professional artist, make sure that you're available and always checking in on your client, as the healing process can be a little bit overwhelming. Make sure if they have any questions, you're there to answer them, and that you can manage their expectations. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about pigments or the healing process, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time.